This is a video to explain how to join the panels of the Cancer Ribbon Pocket Shawl. Start by laying the panels out side by side with right sides facing up and working yarn in front of your work. The panel on the top is referred to as the finished panel and the one on the bottom is the working panel. Join the panels in the corner as per the pattern instructions, then begin the uneven moss stitch. The join is made by crocheting into the working panel, dropping the loop from your hook, pulling the loop through the finished panel, and crossing back to the next stitch in the working panel. The stitch you make in the working panel is dependent upon which stitch you are crocheting into. If it is a slip stitch, you do a half double crochet. If it's a half double crochet, you slip stitch to keep the sequence of the uneven moss stitch.